Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing and a review for the One World Tarot by Lena Rodriguez and Sienna Rose with June Rifkin. So this is the front of the box. I already took the plastic off. This is the sides. This is the back. And it comes like this. I purchased this deck on Amazon. It was for $25. This deck came out on the 4th of this month. So that's the inside, you guys. This is the booklet. It's just black and white, but it's a thick book. It's about, let's see, how many pages? It's about 292 pages in this book. This is the back. Really pretty, purple and white. And I'm gonna bring it down so you guys can see. It reminds me of the Waite deck, so it's kind of similar to that. Pretty traditional. That's the Fool. The Magician. The High Priestess. I like that it has vibrant colors. The Empress. The Emperor. The Hierophant. The Lovers. The Chariot. Strength. The Hermit. Wheel of Fortune. I like that it has that lady there in the corner with her booklet, with the other ones with their booklet. Justice. She has her foot out on that one. Look like a tennis shoe. The Hangman. Death. Looks like the Priestess, like on the Hierophant card, or I'm not sure if that was. Let me see. No, but it looks like a different man there, but it looks like a priest. Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. Star. The Moon. She has a person in the moon there. The Sun. Judgment. The World. Pretty vibrant colors. Now for the Ace of Cups. For the cups, that's pretty. The Two of Cups. I like that they're simple. It has more interpretation on it, like more to go off on, but it's still simple. I like that. Four of Cups. This will be a good beginner's deck. Five of Cups, Six of Cups. Yeah, like in some of them, they have more illustrations. Seven of Cups, Eight of Cups, like the Hierophant there with the building back there, the people. The Nine of Cups. More people on this one. Ooh, this is pretty. I like this Ten of Cups. That's pretty. Page of Cups. There's the cup on the boat there. Knight of Cups. Queen of Cups. She has her foot in the water and one on top of this. Looks like a seashell maybe. A big one. Or, I don't know, you guys. You tell me. King of Cups. Now for the wands, Ace of Wands, pretty traditional. Two of Wands, the same. Three of Wands. And I'm gonna have a video of my new deck. My new Singles and Oracle deck that's coming up, so watch out for that. But I like the fact that this one has them two on here, like getting married. Five of Wands. But yeah, I'm gonna have my deck. I will post a video soon for my deck. It has 101 cards in it. So stay tuned for that. But this is the Eight of Wands. Nine of Wands. Ten of Wands. Page of Wands. I like this Page of Wands. Knight of Wands. It's pretty, pretty colors. Queen of Wands. King of Wands. On to the Pentacles. Ace. Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles. Four. Holding on tight to that pentacle. Five of Pentacles. He has a crutches. Six of Pentacles. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. That's pretty. Page of Pentacles. Knight. Queen of Pentacles. The King. Now to the swords. Pretty traditional. Ace of Swords. Two of Swords. Now I will pull you guys a collective card. Kind of shuffle them to see how they shuffle. The Three of Swords. Four of Swords. That's really pretty. Wow, that is pretty. 5 of Swords. 6 of Swords. 7 of Swords. 8. 9. 10 of Swords. Have a bird on here. Okay. Page of Swords. Birds on that one. Knight of Swords. Is that a bear? A stuffed animal or something? It looks like it. Queen of Swords. Has the owl there. And the King of Swords. Okay, so I'm gonna shuffle them. They feel, as far as the feeling of them, it's like a silk feeling to it. I would say it's very shiny. It has a different feel, but they're thin. They're thin, but they are doable. That's the good thing. But they shuffle a little different, like I guess because they are shiny. Okay, well, I'll just pull a selective card for you guys. Page of Swords. We're going to open the book and get to the Page of Wands and see what it tells you guys. Let's see. Page. And by the way, if you want to hop on over to my other channel, it's Spiritual Instinct Tarot, where I do readings. Every sign, zodiac sign reading. Let me see. That is... Okay, here we go with the swords. Oh my gosh. Where's the swords? Okay. Right. Okay, I missed it. Page. Here we go. Just gonna read a little bit. The page shows a young man standing with his sword pointing towards the blue sky. So it looks like it's giving the description, but I wanted to get to the reading part. The Page of Swords card is about someone young and close to you who is passionate about an issue and wants to see change now. Since young people think and move quickly, they can become impatient or irritated with those who take longer to grasp a situation or who act more cautiously. Therefore, it is worth taking the time to consider the opinions of others. Okay, so that just was a little bit there. Introduction, about the book, major and minor. Okay, so we have, it looks like they give you what the interpretation of the card, and then in a reading, how you should or can read the card here. Then we have the tarot tip. So they have tarot tip there. World view. So that's pretty much how they are on all of them. Like I say, it's a pretty thick book. Let's see what it has in the back. It has spreads. What is the, let's see, 3 card spread. Okay. So it looks like it has some spreads here. Tips for learning and reading tarot. More tips. Getting to know the suits. It kind of gives you quite a bit of information. Sample readings in the back here. Frequently asked questions about tarot from the author. All right, you guys. So that's pretty much the deck here. And I will see you guys in the next video.